Here we are in Peanut Town, and this is Juju here. This is Juju. Say hi.
Hi.
This is her middle school. This is the school she went when she was a little girl.
Middle school.
Little girl. As you can see, it's quite basic. I want to say basic. I mean, the size of the school itself is big. I mean, there's a lot of space, but this is in the middle of nowhere. This is really the countryside. This is a rural sort of area. Basically, what they're famous for is peanuts. So this is the farmers sort of area, and I love this sort of thing. Hard to find when you're in the city. I mean, you give the people a fridge, and then suddenly they've got a business supplying the neighborhood with beers and everything. So I really like this sort of thing. But the school, I think there should be definitely more investment into schools like this, because in my opinion, education is all important to China. So yeah, this has the capability of being a big school and whatever, but maybe there's not enough people here to warrant such a big place. I don't know. I mean, it's holiday time at the moment, so maybe this school is full of people when it's not, but all these little rooms and everything, lots and lots, and quite a few floors. So anyway, schools in China, rural schools in China, very interesting. Come back.
Come back. 谢谢。喝完杯中酒啊，来来来。
好不好？